Well, hello to everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope that everybody's doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Thank you so much for asking. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but I want to be making my own household cleaners, my detergents, dishwashing liquids, regular household cleaning products. I do always use either alcohol or peroxide and vinegar, in with the essential oil, from cleaning down counters and wiping down all of those different things. But I do want a soapier, something soapy and whatever. Did I say dishwashing liquid too? Because yes, I want to make dishwashing liquid, and I've been having this for a long time, and I did not utilize it yet. It was crazy. I mean, it's been, I don't know if it's been since last year or something like that, but I haven't used it yet. Well, what happened was I hadn't used it. I was going to use it, but I was like, oh, these things are not going to clean to my satisfaction. But I think I read somewhere that you should soak them. It doesn't say that on this package, as far as I remember. It doesn't say that, but I saw it somewhere that you should soak them prior to utilizing them. So I did take out a few, and I had them soaking in a little container in the bathroom and they've been sitting in there for like a couple of months. Seriously, no joke. And but I was doing some gardening, and I wanted to wash my garden gloves, and I just, since I was in the bathroom, and I just started, I said, well, I was rinsing them out, the gloves, my gardening gloves, but then I said, let me try this, and it suds up, it suds up really good and everything, and I was like, oh, this is okay. So I said, you know what, today, let me go ahead and wash some, but I didn't like it. I mean, although I had some that were used, maybe I should have used some fresh ones or whatever, but I didn't like them. I rewashed whatever I had. But I said, well, let me put them in some water and see how I like it for dishwashing, washing dishes. That might be something that I could utilize them for, because I'm not going to say I won't try it again. I will try it again. But I'm not going to soak them, I guess. And I don't know. But we'll see. But I'm going to use, I'm just letting these soak. I think I got about 8. They tell you to use about 5 or 6 of them. I'm sorry, give me a minute. I'm making popcorn, and I don't want it to burn. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit. So I have they say use, I think, about 5 to 6. Yeah, 5 to 6. Uh-oh. And I have about 8 in here. And I think this is 36 ounces, 40. I think, yeah, maybe about 46 ounces or something. So I have them in here. I'm going to and this is hot water. I'm just going to let them soak for a couple of days. And I'm going to see what happens so that I can start utilizing it. Now, I knew that I wanted to start making some things from Castile soap, because Castile soap is easy to also make, because all you need is an oil, like an olive oil or whatever, and your lye. So that's how you make Castile soap. Sorry, give me a minute. I don't want my popcorn to burn. I've been meaning to make this for weeks now. Is this done? So, but this is what I'm going to be using to make my detergent. I'm going to use the Castile soap, laundry booster, as well as this borax, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Hopefully I can get to it this week, because I have some rugs in my kitchen that are dangerously soiled. Yes, dangerously soiled. So I want to get to that. I'll probably, of course, do a video, because I've been meaning to do this also for a very long time. But I really need to get to it, because I'm down to just a very few pods of the laundry detergent that I use. And I can't, what's the name of it? It's some goofy name. I'll leave it in the comments. I mean, in the description box. But had a subscription of that for since 2019, the detergent that I use. But I don't want to use it anymore. I don't even know what's in the ingredients because they don't tell you exactly what is in it. So I don't even want to use it anymore. Plus, I'm again tightening my belt, living way beneath my means, and I just want to be making my own things, and things that are more healthier for me and easy to make, and stuff like that. Just have things at my fingertips and whatever. So anyway, I'll just come back and let's see how this works. But let me know if you're a fan of soap nuts, if you've ever used soap nuts before as well. And let me know also if you've ever made your own laundry detergent. I know on YouTube they have a lot of those videos, the recipes, but they're cutting up soap bars, and I don't want to use soap bars. To me, that doesn't feel clean, for laundry. And even though I know Felt Napa and those are some of them are for, but I don't want to be bothered with cutting up soap and all of that foolishness to me. No disrespect to anybody, but I definitely would use my Castile. So, but anyway, I'm gonna get to my popcorn, and so I'll be coming back with some videos just to show us what's going on with this, because it's a possibility that you might want to utilize something like this yourself. It's maybe you have allergies, or maybe your clothes are not really clean, because I don't really think that those things that we're using in the stores are really making things clean. They make things smell good, and that's another thing. I'm not into those fragrances that they have and all of that kind of stuff, and fragrances actually irritate me. They irritate my eyes and everything. So I don't need all of that. Let me just make my own stuff, and whatnot. So anyway, I'm talking a lot, so I will talk to you guys later. Let me know if you guys are making your own detergents. Have you ever made your own detergents? And again, how do you feel about these soap nuts? So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye bye for now.